Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way.
Hey you guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to create a flyer on Canva. I use Canva all the time. Being an entrepreneur, I like to make sure that everything that I post is cohesive, that everything goes together, because that's how you brand yourself, okay? So I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into this tutorial. So let's go ahead, open up Safari. So as you can see here, this is Canva's homepage, okay? So Canva has tons of templates that you can use just so that you can post great content. Even if you are trying to brand yourself as a model or just yourself as a brand in general, Canva has it for you. You still want to make sure your brand is cohesive. So they have tons of different layouts for you to use. As you can see here, they have YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnail. I come on here to use this for that. Instagram story. If you want your Instagram story to stand out, they have that. Flyers, certificates, social media, they have it all. Okay, so, and the great thing about them is that you can click on anything and just edit it. So you see this here? If I wanted to use this, let's let it load. Okay, so this is an Instagram story. You see they have tons of templates for you to use. Okay, I like this. Ooh, this is cute. So I could change the picture here if I wanted to, you know what I'm saying? I could change the color of this, change the dots of that. You know what I'm saying? I can change the wording of this, today's outfit, to, let's see, the baddest. You get what I'm saying? So Canva has it for you, okay? Like you can the sky is the limit with creativity with Canva, and they just give you so much tools so you can be unique in your own way with your own Instagram post. And you know with Instagram, that's what you have to do. You have to be unique to stand out. And Canva definitely does that for you. By the way, this is not paid promo. This is just me helping all the entrepreneurs out there that needs that extra help or don't know where to go to get some graphics done. That's why I'm here, okay? Now, Canva, if this video makes it out to you and you like to partner, my email is in the description down below. All right, anywho, I'm Champ. Oh, another thing, please, sorry for this noise. I do have to change my battery. I don't have a ladder to get up there and take it out, so that's what you hear. I'm so sorry. All right, let's get into it. So I'm just going to do a quick little tutorial on how to create a post. So I'm going to create an Instagram post, and as you can see here, here are some of my posts that I have made personally, and then they save your designs. You can always go back to it and change it if need be. All right, so Instagram post, that's what we're going to make today. Okay, so I'm going to make it simple, and I'm going to do an Instagram post for the summer. And so see here, this is a really great summer type of post. This is also nice too. However, if you don't like these templates, you can also search. So let's say we're doing it for summer. You can type in summer, and then you see all of the summer themed posts. So easy. Okay. All of the summer themed posts. And actually, I'm going to use this one. Now, this one ain't my style. However, I feel like this one I can show you a bunch of things that you can do with Canva on here. Okay. So let's title this a. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I messed up. I'm going to undo, and then I'm going to come here and type. I still want this lettering. So I'm gonna call it. Y'all know I love Megan Thee Stallion, so I'm gonna call it a hottie summer. Okay, and I'm gonna change it to Chi Chi Lux. Chi Chi Lux. Yes. I'm gonna say Chi. No, actually, let's say Chi Chi Lux Presents. Okay. And then I don't like that font, right, y'all? So let's change it. Let's change it. Snickerdoodles. I know I'm not going like. I actually kind of do like it. Now let's make it a little bigger. So see here, I went over to here to make it bigger. That's too big. I don't like that font. It's not legible. So when you're picking out fonts, you want to make sure that it's legible. That font is really pretty. However, just think about people that can't really see. That's too much for their eyes to be trying to adjust and make out. Um, let's do this. Okay, it ain't the cutest, but it serves its purpose. So Chi Chi Lux presents a hottie summer, and let's say I sell bathing suits. Shop the hottest. Shop. Let's say shop the hottest swimsuits to touch summer 19. Boom. Okay. All right. So you see here. Now let's look at this. Right now, I'm gonna change this color because a hottie summer to me, I think of orange. All right. So then this circle, I don't like that color. The circle. Let's just. Oh, I forgot my letters. I like that. I like that. Okay. Chi Chi Lux presents a hottie summer. Shop the hottest swimsuits to touch summer 19. Ow. Ow. All right. So now you see. So pretty much what I did was I replaced the words here to match what I wanted to say. Okay. I customized it to the colors that I want that represent my brand. Okay. My brand is a hottie summer. Orange and yellow is the color of the mother effing sun, so that's the colors that I chose. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, you see these pictures? Now okay, you know what I'm saying? Her over here in this corner, she's in a swimsuit. It ain't giving me hottie, but she's in the swimsuit, you know what I'm saying? Now this one right here, I like this one right here. I think I'm going to keep this picture right here. But them up here, they got to go. They got to go. So, over here, it says photos. Right here, photos. Click here on photos, and you can search, girl. You can search photos. Hold on. So, a hottie summer. Let's put in bikini. That's what they're right. Oh, yes. Okay. Thank you. So, we got some hot girls in the summer. A hottie summer, y'all. Do y'all see pictures that y'all like? Y'all see some hot girls? Let's see. I think I see some up here I liked. I think I like her. Let me bring her over here. Yes. Look at that. Hot girl. Now, I think I want another picture of more people. Or do I like this one? No, I like that one. You see her? She just giving face right here. So I think I'm going to keep that one. And I think I want to put another group of people right here. So I think I like this. But the only thing is, you see we'll just keep that right there for right now. Now up here. Okay. Oh, Shawty got her hair cut off. Alright. So right here. Let's think of something else. Now make sure that everything that you put in your post is relevant to what you are posting about. So I'm not, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole point of me changing the first picture. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a hottie summer. Let's put pool and see what comes up. Oh, they got this picture right there, y'all. What's that? That's a little girl. Um, and just look, take your time and look. I actually think I want to replace the girls with this one. No, wait. What's this? It don't work. It doesn't work. What's this? I like that. I like that. Okay. But now I need scenery. You know what I'm saying? I got too many people swimming in the pool. A hottie summer. Does that look like a hottie summer? I think I like that, y'all. I think I like it. And just check all your options. Keep scrolling. Ooh. Okay, boy, I see you. Yeah. All right. So boom. So we got the hottie. So Chi Chi Lux presents a hottie summer. Shop the hottest swimsuits to touch the summer. So let me see. I think this is more so giving like giveaway, like a getaway, more so than I sell swimsuits. So let's throw in this one here. Boom. Okay. Swimsuits. Let me see. Let's switch these two. Oh no. Okay. What the heck, y'all? I'm sorry. Oh, this one's premium. So they do have premium pictures that you can choose from, like that. But you see how it has the lines on it? That means that in order to download it, you would definitely have to pay for it. I think I like her too. I don't know. Her back. So this is just it, y'all. I'm just going through looking for what I feel represents my brand. Or, okay, if you have your own pictures, you can definitely go here to uploads. And you see here I have uploaded pictures from my phone and things like that. So you definitely can upload it and then you can do the same thing. Drag and drop over here if need be. Okay. So I think this is pretty nice, okay? So Chi Chi Lux presents a hottie summer. Shop the hottest swimsuits to touch the summer, to touch summer 19, period. Now, let me think. Okay, so this is a flyer. Now that you have created your flyer, there's a lot of other things you can do. I just want to show you something. Transparency is also an option. So if you wanted to like make that transparent, it can. I don't like it like that, but if you did, you could do it like that. You know what I'm saying? You take it away. Bring it back. Take it away. You bring it back. Okay? It's up to you. So much customizing that you can do to create each post to you. It's ridiculous. Alright, so my post is complete. All I would have to do is sit here and click download, and then hit download again, and it will save to my computer. I can send it to my phone, therefore I can post it everywhere. Let everybody know that it's going to be a hottie summer. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now you can come back and adjust it, edit it. It never goes away. Canva will save it to your post that you have created, and you can come back, edit it, change it up, go batshit crazy. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I personally come onto Canva and customize my stuff so that way I can post and make cohesive branding content. And I'm going to end the video here. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a good thumbs up and comment down what you like about the Canva tutorial. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have more business videos coming up on how to help you grow and expand your business and, you know, just be the best business you can be. As I learn, I will teach you. And that's all I have to say, you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.